Give us your simplified definition of cryptocurrency and then in blockchain kind of together, really.
Yeah, great question. And one that I think credit unions should really be diving into. So I would use a metaphor to define blockchain and cryptocurrency as an intro for credit unions. And I would say blockchain it is like a technology that blockchain would be best understood as a technology from an alternate reality, right? Specifically a reality, not a fictional reality, an alternate reality, a reality where instead of choosing to process electronic money almost only in centralized repositories controlled by large organizations in our economy and in our world, like centralized internet, centralized bank processing systems. You can think of blockchain and cryptocurrency as technology from an alternate world where we chose to process money and data and information and transactions, not in hyper-centralized repositories controlled by large organizations, but instead locally in decentralized structures by smaller institutions and cooperatives of people. So if we look at the technology as a distributed, decentralized, local, democratic way to process and store data, and to rely and trust large organizations and large repositories of information less, we can see that these technologies, blockchain and then cryptocurrencies they support and enable, these technologies are really parallel or complementary to what credit unions, to the original philosophies of credit unions, to store and process wealth and information locally and to locally govern that. If we understand this alternate universe where information can be stored and processed locally, democratically, in a decentralized way, then we can start to see how these technologies might be important to the business models of institutions that are supposed to embody those same ideas for their members and shareholders. So that's what they are: localized, decentralized, distributed methods for storing and processing data and transaction around the globe. With new networks of financial transaction processing, new networks of value storage, as you alluded to, that are already rising up all around us.